everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this pink and purple look using Morphe 39S palette. I'll list all the products in a description box below. If you want to see how I have created this look, then keep on watching. If you have any query, any questions, do write in a comment box and I would love to reply your comments. So now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using Morphe 39S palette and the shade which I'm using is Wine Knot, which I just pointed out on the palette. It's like a reddish pinkish shade, so I needed something dark in my crease, so I decided to go for that. And the next shade I'm using is Grape Minds. It is like a dark purple shade which I just pointed out, and I'm just blending my first shade Wine Knot that edges with those Grape Mind, and now I'm using darkest purple, which is Make It Rain. So basically first I have applied Wine Knot, then Grape Minds, then Make It Rain. So after blending this shade, uh, we'll go for the next step. So this is how I am applying in my outer V, and I'm blending it with the big fluffy brush. Now I have taken little bit concealer on a fluffy brush, and I'm just dabbing that concealer in inner corner. So here I'm not cutting the crease. I'm just applying concealer in a C shape. So on my both eyes, I'm just applying it in a round shape, and then on top of the concealer, now I'm dabbing liquid glitter. It's eye foil by Lotto London, and name is Savage. So that is what I'm dabbing in the inner corner. Now I'm using shade Berry Good and Grape Minds together. So I'm blending those two colors together just to get that mid-tone, and I'm blending my darkest outer V and glitter with those two shades. And now I'm just outlining with a very thin brush where I want to apply my liner. So I'll outline on my both eyes, and then I'll fill up that gap with the Maybelline gel eyeliner. Now I'm applying Stila liquid glitter, and that is actually a pinkish shade, but because I'm applying it on a black, it is popping out like more like a blue. So it's like a multicolor. It's a pink and bluish sparkle inside, but on the black, it comes out more like a bluish than pink, and this is what I wanted. So that is what I have applied. It's a Sunset Cove from Stila, and now I am just dabbing under eye concealer and dabbing it off just so that I can finish my lower lash line and my lower eyelid eyeshadow. So I'm packing that same shade which I applied in my crease very first, like it was a Wine Knot. That is what I'm applying on my lower lash line, and obviously I'll follow the same sequence. Then I'll mix with the Grape Minds, and then I'll apply my Maybelline gel eyeliner. So after applying my Maybelline gel eyeliner, I'm going to dab pink liquid eyeshadow base, which is a P. Louise base. It's a pink shade, And that is what I'm going to, because I did not have a pink kajal liner, so I decided to use this base. But if you have the kajal liner, if you have pink shade in any kajal, you can use it. You don't have to have the base. मेरे फेस का बेस रेडी है. मैंने टैटी लैशे की TL7 आई लैशे लगाई है, और मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के नाम डिस्क्रिप्शन बार में लिस्ट कर दूंगी. और अब मैं लगा रही हूँ केविन ऑक्योन का ब्लशर, एंड आई वांटेड समथिंग इन पिंक. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you will like it. If you like it, thumbs up. If you have any query, any comments, any questions, write in a comment box. I'd love to reply your comments. I'll see you in my next video next Saturday. Till then, all of you, take care. Bye, guys. Stay safe.